Breaking news, Nasser, Berbi. Ethiopia's Su-5H Sudan border town. Developing stories on the ground. The SSPDF militia that were conscripted brought to Nasser with some deployed further to Berbi have got another battle before the battle hardened. White Army even engaged them. The militia are battling severe hunger. Illnesses due to lack of medicines and other shortages. Due to the above stated challenges that engulfed the SSPDF militia, another group of 100 militias deserted from their force-dogged trenches in Nasser and Berbi. 50 from Berbi and 50 deserted from Nasser, as hunger has disciplined them. This week alone, 330 militias deserted their positions from Nasser on Wednesday and Thursday, while 100 deserted from Berbi and Nasser yesterday. The deserted soldiers were from Merle ethnic group. They peacefully surrendered to the White Army leadership and explained their situation and the fact that they are all from Merle community who were forcefully conscripted from Piber, never taken to any training, and worse of all, they just found themselves in Nasser at this juncture. The conscripted Merle youth affirmed their positions to the White Army leadership that they don't want to fight with the White Army in Nasser. After the lengthy of discussion between the deserted conscripted Merle youth and the White Army understood their situation and give them a free passage to their homes. The White Army leadership is hereby appealing to all the South Sudanese youth that are in Nasser and Berbi who got themselves there because they were forcefully conscripted by the genocidal regime in Juba. We ask them to leave peacefully before we storm Nasser and Berbi. We don't want to take your life hence. We have confirmations from those deserted Merle conscripted youth that 90% of you were just conscripted forcefully. That meant you were brought to fight us out of your choice. Therefore, we asked you to vacate Nasser and Berbi before we strike. Victory is certain. Hansen Chewel James, White Army spokesman, GHQ, Nasser, Ulan counties.